Let's start using an A4 size printer paper, fold it half and cut it carefully. Then we only use half of the paper and fold it half again. Draw or trace a circle using any cup. Time to have fun, create your own ornament design. I'm drawing a simple snowman for this art tutorial. Don't forget to color your design. In this video, I'm using paint marker. I'm using a blue paint marker for this background. I'm using a white acrylic paint for the detail of the peppermint buttons. Adding a big snowflakes on this empty spot. Don't forget to put your name on the bottom. Now you have a greeting card. Open it up and put some message there. I choose Happy Holiday. Thank you so much for watching my video. Follow my Instagram at Arts with Savvy.